Must-do things in the 20s. 1. Travel the world. There's nothing like seeing new places, cultures, and people to broaden your horizons and enrich your life. Whether it's river rafting in Rishikesh, partying at Sunburn in Goa, or visiting the monasteries in Bhutan, there's a lot to explore and enjoy in India and beyond. 2. See a Broadway show. Whether it's on or off Broadway, watching a live performance of a musical or a play is a magical experience that you'll never forget. You'll be amazed by the talent, the energy, and the emotion of the actors and the audience. 3. Hit the road. Take a road trip with your friends or family and see parts of the country you've never seen before. You'll have fun, make memories, and discover new things along the way. You can camp, stay in motels, or couchsurf, depending on your budget and preference. 4. Master an instrument. Learning to play an instrument is not only a great hobby, but also a way to boost your brain power, creativity, and confidence. You don't have to be a pro, but you can enjoy the process of learning and improving your skills. 5. Try something scary. Whether it's skydiving, bungee jumping, scuba diving, or public speaking, doing something that scares you can help you overcome your fears and grow as a person. You'll feel proud of yourself and more confident in your abilities. 6. Start taking good care of yourself. Your 20s are the time to establish healthy habits that will benefit you for the rest of your life. Eat well, exercise regularly, sleep enough, and manage your stress levels. You'll feel better, look better, and perform better in everything you do. 7. Learn a new language. Learning a new language is not only fun, but also useful. You'll be able to communicate with more people, access more information, and appreciate more cultures. Plus, it will make you smarter and more attractive. 8. Start saving money. It may not sound exciting, but saving money is one of the best things you can do for yourself in your 20s. You'll be prepared for emergencies, opportunities, and goals that may come your way in the future. You don't have to save a lot, but you should save something every month. 9. Find your passion. Your 20s are the time to explore your interests and talents and find out what you love to do. Whether it's writing, painting, coding, or dancing, finding your passion will make you happier and more fulfilled in life. 10. Make new friends. Your 20s are also the time to expand your social circle and meet new people who share your values and interests. You can join clubs, volunteer groups, online communities, or just strike up conversations with strangers. You never know who you might meet and what they might teach you. 11. Read more books. Reading books is one of the best ways to learn new things, improve your vocabulary, stimulate your imagination, and relax your mind. You can read fiction or non-fiction, classics or bestsellers, whatever suits your taste and mood. 12. Learn to cook. Cooking is not only a useful skill, but also a creative and enjoyable activity. You can experiment with different ingredients, recipes, and cuisines, and impress yourself and others with your culinary creations. 13. Travel solo. Traveling solo is a great way to challenge yourself, discover yourself, and have fun on your own terms. You can go wherever you want, do whatever you want, and meet whoever you want without having to compromise or depend on anyone else.